Welcome, and today Mark is going to play Melon Sandbox. Watch me build and see what happens next. For this game, the Play Store and the apps are pretty good. So I said to myself, let's try it out. I even got my characters. Sheesh! Charles, TV, Kevin, James, Stacy, Jake, Mr. Reese, Ronald. Sheesh! Now let me get this. This is a doctor. Save. Doctor. Oh, walilay. We clear everything. Wait guys. Can I build on this one? Wait, I know. Wait guys, I actually know. Just give me some things. Of course he needs sunglasses. Boots. Yeah, boots. 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 What can I get? Headphones, Nimbus, yeah. Headphones. And then, oh wait, that's a bad idea. I'm here now. Finally. I don't want the headphones actually. Nimbus. What can I get? Pilots, there's not. What can I get? Maybe camo? He's a guard though, but I think it fits him. Of course, a hat. And of course, a bat.
Nakasulat sa will ni Papa na ang kaisa-isa niyang apo na si Nick, Bakayaga, ang papalit sa kanya para
Sheesh!
CEO ng Bakayaga.
This is a good guard.
Gagawin ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko para sa ikalalago ng Bakayagang Group.
Guard.
Buha ko ng sekretary mo para
Yes.
hindi ka na mahirapan.
Sa iso na nakatala.
Now let's see what's better. A guy with
Kailangan ko na tungkol sa akin.
a knife, a guy with a baseball bat. Let's see. For real. They do a fight. Bro steps in. 2 steps. Bro gets a stab. Boom. 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 Bro's gonna die. See, get stabbed. Bro, it broke his.
Ay rated SPG. Strictong patnubay at
The arm man.
ang kailangan maaaring masisirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan,
No!
o droga na hindi angkop sa
Bro
mga
gonna die. Shot. 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 Dead. Bro's dead.
May! Alis ka na? May?
No.
Kung wala kang sasabihin, aalis na ako.
Dude. Dude. Bro. Bro just killed. Bro. Clear everything.
Hindi ako nagbibiro! Diyan sa likod. Sa akin ka na may problema. Huwag mo na siyang idamay. Magkasama kayong dalawa sa problemang ito. Sandali ako.
Sorry for the background. Projectiles. Energy. Maybe a police officer. Delete. Delete. Get stronger.
Gusto ko ito ah.
Still in slow motion.
Alam mo, ang laki pa naman ng paghanga ko sa'yo. Masyado yatang marami yung sinabi ko, pwede namang apat lang. Okay na rin magkasayaan tayo nito, no? Matapang ka rin, ano?
Course.
Ako hindi, kahit matapang. Ginagawa ko
Police
lang yung
officer.
ng boss ko. At ang sabi niya, patayin daw kita. Ginagawa niya ako pumatay ng pulis at nagkataon namang ikaw yun. Hindi gawin mo.
Alam mo, hindi naman kami dyan. Iniisip mo ba talaga na papatayin ka niya? Gusto ko lang niya pakigantihan. Hindi okay ang pagpatay, kaya lulumpuin ka na lang namin.
Tama na, dagdag.
Oh. Oh my god. Bro, sa gun. Yo! Bro, actually works. Wait, let me check this out. Another con. Bro, these ads! I have like 50 ads right now. Oh! 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 Bro! Bro's gonna get cooked! Bro! Can't stand up. Bro's face is burned. Bro, did actually somebody die? Yes. You too. Let's get more. That is dangerous. Let's test it again. This time far away. Let's make master away. Ano naman na ID, sucker? Oh, you call me sucker? That's a sucker. Die. Oh. So you're that. Oh. Fire. Dead. Last one. No. You like people, ah. Get that, oh. What the hell? Last one. What the hell? Oh. You invincible. Cho. What the hell? So. Why can I? I broke your ankles. Flash grenade. Oh. You're not friendly. Grenade. Boosh. See? I mean it. Bro, what the happened? Kill corpse. Save. Police officer. Now we're gonna fight somebody. Apple. Delete. Who is an guy? Oh wait. Die. Okay, we got a guy. We need a fire extinguisher. This next one might be a fireman. Let's see the clothes. Chemical suit. Yeah, they need a gas mask. Sometimes. A welder suit. If there's a fire. Wait. A minute. Let's put this, guys. Bro. Yo. Yo. Get up na, malay. Bro. Get up. Bro. Bro is burned to death. Bro, did you break your ankles? Bro, they broke his ankles. Get off the stage. Ugly bastard. I gotta do all of this again. Just get this. Boom. Of course they need a boot. Barbing. Oh, ito tawel this. Baraboom. Let's do it again. Give me that for a way. Dang! Popcorn! Oh! Bro! Save somebody! Brave! Oh my god! What's this? Virus barrel? Barrel? What is this? Ah! Whoa! What the fuck? Bro's a zombie now. I gotta do it again. Why do I keep this thing? Get the fire extinguisher. Of course, kailangan, ay hindi. Ganun na nga yung purpose eh. Leave! What can I get? Bro, get steady. Ayun. Okay. Boo! Get out. This? Bro. This is K. Right. Why is it hard to make a firefighter? The last two tries is my fault. Yeah. It's my fault. Yeah. But those, bro, that last one is, I'm not gonna go. After this, I'm done. Oh! Okay, gotta make. It was working. No, it's not. What the hell? Steady. Yes. Another. Save. Fighter. Done. I'm ending it. If you want more, like and subscribe. Peace.